What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have bulb camera. All you have to do is unscrew your bulb and screw this in. Whoever came up with this idea of plugging it into your outlet and using it inside your home, salute to them. Whoever came up with this invention. This one is called Septekon. Sounds like a transformer. We're going to take the cover off. I am going to go ahead put this in and show y'all the camera quality while I have some daylight. Okay, everyone, so I am doing the voiceover due to the fact on I try to turn the mic on, and when I turn the mic on and I get close to the bulb, it has a interference on it. So yeah, that's something to note down. If you're trying to test it out and stuff, you will get interference when you have your mic on. I actually left the audio on so you can actually hear the interference. So the audio sound good. A little bit of a delay. The camera has a delay also. Every now and then, depending on your connection. So I am testing the left and right, up and down. Remember, with this style camera, you can't look all the way up and you can't look all the way down due to the fact on the build of the camera. Okay, the camera is like inside of a little holder, so it's not really like a free movement camera. And I'm saying goodbye to everybody, so that will be it. All right, everyone. So we are here at the final sit down with these bulb camera lights. All right. Now I am here to do both final reviews on these things. I will put both of these on each product review, just so y'all can see the comparison at the end of this review. So with that being said, let me go ahead and do this real quick for y'all. And I just wanted to let y'all know that these are some good Christmas gifts to give to somebody, you guys. So think about that. All right, Christmas is coming up, and if you know somebody that needs a little bit more security at their home, something a little bit cheaper. I know Ring is starting to come down on their prices a little bit, and Blink and all that, but with that being said, everything needs a subscription, you guys. Everything needs a subscription. Even with these, you need to pay if you want the data to be like on the cloud or something. So I think you have a certain amount of recordings that you can do on this. If so, then you will need to use their cloud if you want to have like backup for a certain amount of months or a lifetime backup or whatever it is. So y'all can dig into all of that. Me, I'm not into subscriptions. I have one Ring subscription, all right, and that is for my driveway. I paid $3 a month for that. I do have the doorbell, but I don't pay monthly for that one. So each Ring that you have to pay $3 a month. So that's how Ring work. Just in case nobody knows how Ring doorbells and stuff work. Sorry, I went off a track, but here goes your different comparisons. So with this one, you have more flexibility. Of course, you can go all the way around, right? And then it goes all the way around here. All right. You go all the way around. And then the cool thing with this one is you see how you can look all the way straight down? It goes straight down to the floor. So let's say you have a stray cat at your door or something like that, then this thing will actually, see what's on the floor. And then you can speak into your mic and try to scare the cat off, like wow or whatever. However you try to scare a stray cat or whatever. So this can look on the floor, and the lights are very bright on this. That is the best thing about this one. So with this one, the bulb don't go all the way to the floor. You are limited. With this, you can go all the way around, just like that one. But once again, you cannot look straight, which is a bummer. It is. It's a bummer. Because I'm going to tell you why. If you want to use this in your home, most of your outlets is on the wall. As a matter of fact, all of them is on the wall. So with that being said, you plug in on the wall like this, and you can actually look straight ahead. So you can see everything in front with this camera. Now, If you plug this on the wall, plug, that's all you can see. All right. That's all you can see. So this one will still work in the house if you put it on like a ceiling fan. If you have a ceiling fan, you could just screw it right on up, and then you can have it look in any direction you want. So keep that in mind. That is a big thing when it comes to these things, all right? And the reason why this one can't go all the way up and down is because it's like in this little hub right here. So the ball is here, right? And it's like gimbalized in this hub that it sits in. So it's really limited on its ability to go straight down. So if I have it forward, that's it. Instead of like this one, when you have it like this. And that's about it, you guys. I think for me personally, I like this one a little bit more, but I will be able to manage with this one. Like I said, you will have to put this on like a ceiling fan, or if you have a lamp, or something like that, that you can put this, then you're good to go. And that's about it. I don't think I'm missing anything else. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. Both of the cameras was basically the same. They look the same to me. They both had like little delays on the camera, but most cameras have delays. Even the Ring is a little delayed, so I don't know if that's the internet or I don't know if that's the Ring. So I can't really complain too much about that. You know, even the top dogs be lagging a little bit. So with that being said, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.